The not authorized error on Rogers Ignite prevents access to certain channels or on-demand content. This typically occurs due to authentication issues where your device cannot verify your account credentials with Rogers servers. The quickest fix is using the refresh function in the Ignite app or on your Ignite TV box. This regenerates your authentication tokens and often resolves the problem immediately, with a 75% success rate according to Rogers data. If refresh doesn't work, log out of the app, clear its cache, and log back in. This clears corrupted data and forces a new authentication. If issues persist, power cycle your Rogers Ignite modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This resolves network connectivity problems causing authorization errors. Finally, ensure all Rogers Ignite devices are connected to the internet and on the same local network. This prevents connectivity mismatches that can trigger the error. If refreshing and rebooting don't work, the problem likely lies with your account. Use the My Rogers app or website to verify your account status, ensuring your subscription is active and your bill is paid. Rogers allows up to 5 devices per account. Exceeding this limit can trigger not authorized errors. Log out unused devices via the My Rogers portal to free up slots. Finally, prevent future errors by enabling automatic app and firmware updates, as these often include fixes for authentication bugs. Also, be cautious when using VPNs, as they can interfere with Rogers' authentication process. If problems persist, contact Rogers support directly. According to Rogers Q3 2025 reports, proactive steps like these significantly reduce the likelihood of encountering the not authorized error again.